Hi, my name's Dave Pitcock. I'm from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania.
10 HD?
Yeah, it's a 10 HD, 22.
Nice. Okay, so Dave, I'm loving this trailer, and I'm seeing some mods that I'm pretty familiar with. So you watch DIY Outdoor Life?
Yeah, you and Sam both.
Nice. I see some Sam mods as well. So take us on a tour.
So I have the slide out from your specs, all the parts, all that right off your site. I put this on it to give me some more extra space. This is the 30, so I had to cut into that back panel. Although I think when you did yours on the 2022s, there is one of the support posts here. So I couldn't get, like I was wanting to tuck this as close as I could, but I had to shift it over because of that.
But it came out well and it's working good?
Yeah, it gives me some room to put stuff over here. I got, the little Coleman oven and the little coat to go around it to help keep the heat in.
Nice. Now having the fridge on the slider and having all this additional space is like a must.
Yeah, because I can slide this out, and then I got this little cutting board here that gives me extra,
And you did go with the 30, so it's a bigger fridge too. Very nice. Now I see you have these stabilizers. I know Sam gets very sad because he bumped his leg on one once. Well, what do you think about them?
I like them, but you can see there's things strategically placed.
That's part of the mod. Is while it doesn't protrude out that much, but you put stuff by it and you won't hit your legs on it. But how about for the stability and it lifts the entire camper?
Oh yeah, you could because I did the Sam mod where you had to put the washers through the axle bolts.
Yes.
So I was just able to jack that up. I took the tire off instead of trying to lay under it to get,
They are not stabilizers. Yeah, they lift the entire trailer off the ground. There's other better ways to do it, but it involves welding and a whole bunch of other things. That was a 10-minute job.
Yeah.
You just screw them in. So I don't mind them.
And it comes with the drill bolt. It comes with the drill bit, the bolts, the impact thing.
They actually even give you the drill bit with the kit.
Yep.
So I'll link to that video, but you can't make everyone happy. I love them.
Yeah.
The shin knocker mod.
It's better than what it was.
It sure is. So what else did you do in the galley?
So people always ask me, how do you keep your spices there? Velcro.
Velcro spice rack. Very cool. Now
and then these are Velcroed too, in case you gotta get them out to get the knife out or whatever.
And when you're heading down the road, I've seen you at 2 rallies now. You're putting some miles on this trailer. Nothing bumps free?
No,
And where did you get these guys?
That was from another post from the
somebody on the Facebook group.
Yeah, from the group, because I was trying to find something that would fit, and it's the same size that fits on the inside above the bed. So I bought a 2-pack, so I have some inside and some out here. But yeah, I was trying to find something that would fit, and then I'm like, well, they had the link, so it works out well.
These newer Bushwhackers with the metal here, I really do like that. I mean, every time I see one with the particle board, they're all chewed up and delaminated.
Yeah, then this was originally one piece. So I put a piece of plywood and cut and made doors. So, and then I moved my water pump to the back wall standing up. So it gives you room to stash some stuff.
Very nice. Now what is
that? I put an accumulator on it. So
okay.
So like when you're running the water real low, you don't get that weird pulsing from the...
Yeah, so the accumulator allows you to modulate down either with a valve or with variable speed on your pump and get a real smooth low flow without pop, 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 pop.
Yeah.
Oh, very cool. I love this. Couple
that was
piece of paracord and some can chants.
That was a today fabrication mod. I got tired of chasing this around somewhere. I had it. With sticky tape up there was a paper towel holder and it fell off, and I didn't want to drill into this. So
nice. So what are these Blackstone devices?
These go on. It's an egg ring, and then this is for like an omelet. So
that actually goes on your Blackstone and allows you to cook eggs in a particular shape.
Yeah, this is the new they have one that's all griddle, but I like this one for like breakfast. I only use this for breakfast really.
It's let me get out of the sunlight. It's a very nice, very high quality setup in it with the burner. Is this feeding off of your low flow?
Yeah.
So
it's got the quick connect right here.
it's got a quick connect, and then you can feed it regulated gas, so there's no need.
It comes with a little regulator and takes the 1 pound cylinders, or you can get this adapter on Amazon, and I just put my quick connect on it.
Fancy,
So
fancy.
like I said, for breakfast, it's perfect. What I want to do is, I want to redo my galley over the winter and put it on a slide on that side.
Okay.
Where it'll slide out. And that'll give me like a little U-shaped if you had them both out.
They make nice stuff these days. Now, I have one of these tailgate ladders. I see you ponied up for the aluminum version.
Oh, yeah.
Mine is too. I got the black aluminum version. They were made for the spare tire on a Jeep Wrangler, but they provide like a really nice table no matter what the topography is,
Yeah.
right? So
it's a little low for this, but usually I have in the truck, I have a Weber Baby Q.
Yep.
Best grow ever. And it connects to that too. So like I said, when I get that on the slider, this will be where the Baby Q sits all the time.
I'm gonna show people, I haven't featured it on the channel yet, but that hooks into my hiker table, my hiker tire, which is higher like a Jeep tire, and it just makes a really nice table design. They're expensive, but they're nice.
Yeah.
How do you like your awnings? Now, did that come with yours?
No, I bought those from Amazon. I don't have it out today just because it was kind of windy and there's no rain, and
It was
you know.
very windy today.
So I'm like, I'm not even gonna,
No.
like I do have on the other side, I have Sam modded the door for the shower room.
Okay, so you just have the short awning on the other side.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Well, yeah, just the shower over there.
Yeah.
And I got it folded up today because it's so windy.
Yeah, so you did get that Sam mod, so this is cut with an extra door and
Yep.
it's formed. This is so smart, and I keep sending people to this video. It's best to just go and have Sam do it for you. But this is so much more than a shower room. This is your privacy, your changing room, and it hooks up this fast. So he's adding this zipper, right?
No,
Or
the
he's-
zipper was on it.
He's just cutting
the door
inside.
in and adding this trim board on the bottom.
Really, really nice. Did he get you the stabilizers for this?
I have them, I just didn't put them on
Yeah,
yet today.
they're really only needed in some situations.
Yeah.
Right? What shower setup do you have?
I did this before everybody else, like early on. So this was my take on,
I love it.
but I got everything on quick disconnects.
Nice. And did you do that early on?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, so this will
I should have copied your setup in my video.
quick connect to I put a gas port on the side.
Right.
And then this will go to the shower hose. And this goes over to I put one of the water disconnects here.
So I love how everyone solves a problem differently. You went the same direction as us with screwing it to the lid and moving the main body, but you accomplished your space saving by putting some angles on.
Yeah,
here.
45s.
45s and a 90 on the gas. Right?
And then the hoses all coil up inside the box.
Very cool.
So, and I actually had this around the other way to where this was bolted to here, and
Right.
this swung out. But then after I seen your video, I'm like, I like that setup better.
Okay, so
So
you did.
I switched it.
Yeah, it's a little less weight on the door
Yep.
too when you from swinging the unit. But I'm seeing some folks, again, I think a Sam inspiration, put it the other way and drill holes through the bottom of the box for quick connects. So there's more than one way to skin a
Yeah,
cat.
I didn't even think about it. Like I said, think about that option. I just got a shower that would fit inside this box and had enough room to do those 45s.
Nice. So,
So-
do you do a lot of boondocking?
I do mostly, yeah. So, I have the lithium-ion battery, just 100 amp
100 amp
hours.
hour?
And then I redid, everybody's looking for tongue box options and how to do. So I originally had this mounted to the tray, and then that was here where like factory was. But I'm like, well, if I rearrange this, I can get more space. So I put this in front, slid the tray forward a little bit and reconnected it. And then I still got room for my battery. I ordered that new mount for the propane. Then it gave me room here for a milk crate that I
Catch all.
keep all my stuff that doesn't matter if it gets wet.
This
you know,
is
cords and
very
stuff.
similar to how I set mine up. I pulled the tongue box up with the jacky up.
All my junk.
This is, yeah, it's just very practical, right? You have the catch-all, and the tongue box slides right up to the front of the jacky up.
And that's
how do you like the jacky up?
I like it a lot because I can take this off. Because sometimes I'll go to ATV parks with my brother. So I can load the four-wheeler in the back of the truck and my tailgate will close. And then I can hook to this and I can take it with me.
Love it. No, they're very cool. And I see that's a pretty nice propane bracket that you got there.
Yeah, it wasn't cheap, but that was the only option I could
are.
find that like secured that.
I ended up cutting up the Braxton Creek one and bending it and doing that with it.
Yeah, I don't have any resources to do that. You know, I can't weld or anything.
Hey,
so.
they get a lot of money for these, but they're very nice. What's your opinion on the CIGS, BougeRV compact CIGS?
I like them a lot. I was in the process of doing this Sam's version until I seen your video, and then I'm like, I'm going that way.
They're pretty
much,
neat.
much easier peel and stick. Now I've seen a lot of people like run them here to the corners, but I was unsure because if you'd ever have to get in here for any reason, you shouldn't have to. Yeah. I'd rather just have them away from that a little bit. So.
No, and the cord management is simple. They produce and they last, and I don't know if you've seen me beat up on them, but they're hard to kill.
Yeah. So, yeah, I like it. It's my little friend. So I have a portable TV that I got from QVC, but I think they have it on Amazon too. It has a kickstand to where, and its own battery, but the kickstand will flip all the way up. So I put a 3M adhesive hook so I can hang it in there, and you can tilt it so it's, you know, at your angle when you're laying in bed watching TV. You know, I like to watch a movie or something. I got lots of videos, but I don't think I've seen the end of any of them because I fall asleep.
That's what happens to me as well.
I replaced the LED lights up front and put the dimmable ones. So in the middle lights, you flip the light on, it doesn't hit you in the face.
Yeah.
Like a hammer.
Yeah, no, they can be a little abrasive. The dimmable ones are nice.
Yeah.
I love the mesh work. Everything's so neatly organized. You got ones for your toiletries. This is gonna hold things in when you're on the road.
Another today modification of coat hook over there.
Yeah,
I need somewhere to hang my hook, hang my coat.
Very nice. You use your propane furnace?
I have. The problem with it is it gets, by the time the thermostat's hopping, it turns off. The fan's still running to keep to cool the blower box or whatever, the heat exchanger. Then it gets too hot in there. So you're turning down the temperature, which causes it, now it kicks on when it's too cold. It gets too cold before it kicks on, then you're freezing before it finally kicks on.
What about the air conditioning? Do you use the air conditioning?
Very rarely. I mean, a few times I've gone out, you know, you go to bed in the evening, you open the windows, you turn that on, you get that nice cool breeze in. You know, I've never, if you were going to Texas, yeah, that's probably a must. But here in the Northeast where I camp,
yeah,
you know, it's nice to have, but I rarely use it.
Well, I've seen you out on the road multiple times now. I can tell you're out using your camper. Any words of wisdom or something to share with somebody about the Bushwhacker? Something you love, something you hate?
I like it because it's small enough that you can take with you. You don't know that's really back there. I'd always tent camped before, so this is a step up from that. Now it's just a bed on wheels, and then I like the galley. I mean, to me, a teardrop, it's got to have the galley or it's not a teardrop.
With your real nice Blackstone, are you still doing a lot of cooking out of your galley?
Usually, like I said, mostly breakfast. Before, I just got this like a month ago. Before that, breakfast was, you know, a couple skillets on that burner. But for lunch or dinner, I got the grill, I got the Weber out here, I'm using it.
Very cool. All right, well, thank you so much for taking the time. It's really nice seeing you again. Thank you for giving us a tour of your Bushwhacker.
Yep, no problem.